Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Now this is just a quick video to talk about a new face mask that DJI have released for the FPV Goggles 2, or Goggles 2 I should say. Now if you're someone who's got the Goggles 2 and you're like me, you'll find that the overall fitment of these is pretty poor. I get a lot of lens issues on these due to the optics and the face mask. For instance, I can't get the whole image clear end to end, and the face mask itself isn't particularly comfortable. It restricts the flow of air through my nose when I'm wearing it, and overall the fitment of these goggles has been very, very poor. Now there has been third-party face masks released for these goggles. I bought one of the ones myself off AliExpress, but it didn't really make a difference. But DJI have now released a new face mask that they say has improved the fitment. Now, this has literally just landed on the DJI website. I didn't spot it myself. One of the fantastic users on my Discord forum shared it with me, and I thought I'd make a quick video to highlight it to you. Now, you can see that it isn't actually available to order yet, but they have listed it on the site. Now, there is some interesting things about this that I quickly want to talk through. First of all, DJI are calling it the DJI Goggles Foam Padding Soft Fit. They're going to charge us 25 quid for it in the UK. Not sure what it is in dollars. I'll put that up on the screen when I do it in the edit. But what DJI are saying is it is a softer foam padding that fits a wider range of face shapes and provides a more comfortable wearing experience. Now, what's interesting about this faceplate is it appears to be using the plastic faceplate part from the new Integra goggles. And the reason I say that is you can see along here on the image, you now have these little grooves. Now, what that's going to do is improve airflow into the mask area, or at least allow air to flow in and out. And it may even improve the anti-fogging performance. If we look compared to the original face mask, it now has that one piece of plastic that goes all the way around, whereas the existing face mask, if you look at it, doesn't have that. The actual foam is the bit over the nose area and it goes around the sides. You can also see that it does appear to be a different material as well. If we look on that image there, we can see it's definitely a plastic mask that goes all the way around with those grooves. If we look there, you can now see the side nose section, that side there, and then we look at it from the side, you can now see that there's a much deeper amount of foam here from the look of it. Might not be, but it does look a bit deeper. And then from the front end, you can see that it goes all the way around. Now, this obviously looks like a bit of a mix of the original faceplate and the new one that came on the Integras. As I said, it has that plastic that goes all the way around, but also it looks a lot like the material that's been used on some of the third-party masks from AliExpress and others. Now, I did order in one of those masks, and I've got it here somewhere. I can't seem to find it, but for me, it didn't improve things. In fact, it made them worse. The issue for me is twofold. It's not that I need to be further away from the goggles. I need to actually be closer. My eyes need to be closer to the lenses. And I need the face mask to give me more area around the nose. And the third-party one that I tried didn't do that. Hopefully, this may improve things, and as DJI have said, it's going to improve the fitment for a wider range of faces. I'm going to order one in, and I'll let you know what I think. Not cheap at 25 quid. I think they're taking the mickey on pricing, if I'm honest, for a face mask. But what can you do? But we'll give it a try and see how it goes. And I thought I would just make this quick video to share with you the fact that it does now exist. Now, that's it from me on this one. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to support us to allow us to keep buying from DJI as well as the products themselves, please do consider checking out the link to my Patreon as well as buy me a coffee. I want to say a massive thank you to all of my Patreons who support the channel. I would not be able to do this without your support. Anyway, that's it from me. Stay safe. I'll speak to you soon.